We are going for our first hike in Iceland and we are snacking before our hike. To this place called the Elbow Crater, and it has been raining since morning and my glove is wet, so I'm not wearing a glove. I'm actually holding this heat pack, which doesn't really work. Finally, we are nearer now. Windy here. Wow. Oh my god. Look at this. Crap. Wow. Elevation is? Okay. Main course, they have mussel, small potato and mayo, seafood stew, shellfish risotto. I'll have seafood stew. Cheeseburger. Fish of the day. And I'm having seafood stew.
Are you okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Can you have white chocolate? Oh, this is the white chocolate.
Also, it's like my nose freezing. Thank you. We'll wait for them to let us know that there's a whale or not, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we just enjoy the view first.
Okay. Yeah.
So first of all, good morning and welcome aboard on whale watching Havanas, the oldest whale watching in Iceland. So my name is Margaret and I'm gonna be your guide today. So the humpback whale is the biggest whale we have that is common to this area. Can be from around 11 to 16 meters long or so and weigh around 20 to 30 tons. And coming up. And
Whoa!
you're going down already. And diving down.
哎呦，它真好玩哦！它真好玩哦！
That concludes our whale watching. Most of the whales that we spotted were the largest one, and now we are heading to do some fish catching before we head back. Tonight we are having caught fish that Randy has catch.
Super fresh.
Caught how many? 5.
We caught 5.
We caught
and
5.
It was still alive and wriggling when they fillet this thing, so it's as fresh as you can get.
And these are the veggies we are baking now.
Iceland.
Where is our alcohol?
Quick freeze.
Where is that?
Quick what? The whole Yamazaki?
Okay. Even the lemon.
So nice.
That is so old school.
Yeah.
Still using this kind of pressure.
哎呀 ，Airbnb 你做你会买几贵的 free shop？
What is this?
Yamazaki.
Yamazaki is a
Whiskey.
whiskey.
Yeah.
Okay, come.
There's a windstorm going on. And look at the sky. Morning everyone. It's 15 in Iceland and I'm having today is having cup noodle. Cup noodle, beef flavor cup noodle with ham inside. Today is going to be a more relaxing day because we are going to stay at home first. By right, we are supposed to leave 10:30 also, right?
Anyway,
The plan.
We leave about 10:30 lah. We still got an hour.
This is the morning view. Oops! Outside. Today, the sky is quite clear and we are starting off with going for a short walk up to that crater. Just right outside our Airbnb. This is the mini crater. This is a small one. I'm now at a canyon and it's super sunny and hot here, and I'm carrying all my scarf and also the jacket. I've just taken it off. Yeah, we are going to walk up these stairs, right? Yeah, the trail is here. Chinese fried rice with bacon and egg. I have my hiking gear ready. The cloth attached to my shoe and this, I don't know what is this called. Where is that, Eagle? Now hiking on the glacier, chasing the group in front of me. They're so far away. Having breakfast in the hotel, and they have my favorite cake here. They have some cheese, ham deli meat,
See, we have a scrambled egg.
and also the sausage.
The sausage comes in three like that.
And also bacon. So this is raw fish, right?
整个小
Sashimi with this one.
What is this?
Zero here.
It's not the shark.
Dessert. Street. Right now I'm in the Tingirilia National Park and we are going for a snorkel. We have booked with Arctic Adventure. So we'll be wearing all these dry suit. Here, these are some of the gears.
Okay, so if you have your thumbs in any of these loops, like this one here, maybe take that out.
Nighttime now, and our last day in the Golden Circle. We have booked to come to the Secret Lagoon in Fludia area, just 10 minutes away from our Airbnb. We have just arrived. My friend is checking in and we are going in a bit. Last night, catching the aurora light, and we are hiking up a small hill behind, just right behind our Airbnb. It's actually crazy cold. I've just arrived Reykjavik town and we have just parked our car. We can't really check in yet. Our check-in time is 3 o'clock. We are going to find the Reykjavik famous hot dog for lunch. 4 hot dog, please.
Oh yeah, with everything.
Yes.
And it's
Take cash.
Okay.
if you want
Just pay.
like easier, yeah.
What are you having, sorry? One of them?
Try and see. Hot dog is very springy and with the sauce, they have some very crispy things inside the hot dog, which I don't know what is that. But on top the sauce has some mustard, mayonnaise, and also tomato sauce. How is it?
Good. Very nice.
Good. Very nice, huh?
Got this very crispy thing inside there. I have no idea. I think it's maybe onions. I don't know.
We have just done with the hot dog and now we are walking around here. We are going to look for a place to have coffee. We are going in this cafe for coffee. Oops. What? Cinnamon, Danish cinnamon, yes. You wanna try? You wanna try that? Okay.
This looks interesting. Rona, are you ordering something?
I ordered the cinnamon. Okay, I'll have soy cappuccino. And another one there. Thank you.
Go enjoy.
Bread, some cream, and some nuts on top of the soup. It's 5 AM now and I've already arrived at the airport. My flight is 8 AM later and I'm leaving Iceland today. So we are going to check in our bags first and have some breakfast before we go to the departure hall to wait for our flight. It was really a great trip, really a tiring one. This some rest and rain and also the night. 2, restaurants. 3, restaurants. 2 is